Tired of digging through your phone contacts every time you need to add someone to an event? Learn how to add a contact directly in Google Calendar in under 60 seconds. I'll walk you through the 8 simple steps. First, locate the Contacts icon in the right sidebar. Then, fill in the details and save. Start by clicking the Contacts icon in the right sidebar to open your contact list. In the new contact form, begin by entering the first name in the provided field. Then, go ahead and type in the last name. Now, fill in the company name. After that, enter the job title. Next, add the email address. Then, enter the phone number. You can fill in additional details if needed, but we'll stick with the essentials for now. Finally, click Save to add the contact to your Google Calendar. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.